Welcome to Bando's Pit Stop. Now, if you ask me, we've been compromising a lot when it comes to helmet. Even when the most sold motorcycle is under 400cc, there aren't enough options for riders like us. But things are changing. Why? Because a new brand just got relaunched into the Indian market, the KYT. So, in this video, we'll be taking a deep look at all the models that's available from KYT in the Indian market right now. Now, this is not a review video, but just a brand intro video where we'll be showcasing all the models that's available. As of now, the KYT is offering three models of helmets: the TT Cos, the Vendetta, and the NFR. Now, we'll begin with the KYT TT Cos. Now, this is the entry-level model from KYT. It starts at just 5,999. This TT Cos is available in 14 variants. The major difference between them is the graphic of cost. The price ranges from 5,999 all the way up to 6,999. From personal experience, this is one of my favorite helmets. Why? Because it is very good for daily rides, it's great on the highways, and it's also comfortable when riding in fast speeds. This TT Cos is made with advanced thermoplastic, which gives high protection during crashes. Also, this is available in two shell sizes. And the visor on this is made with polycarbonate with anti-scratch treatment, which means no scratch whatever you do. Also, this is pin lock ready and it can be removed without any tools. Now, the ventilation on the TT Cos is also superb. Why? Because it has 5 intakes and 4 air extractors under the spoilers. Another great thing about the TT Cos is this inner fabric. Now, these are highly sweat absorbent and keeps you dry and fresh. These are soft on the cheek and very comfortable to wear. These cheek pads are removable. Now, the great thing about this helmet is the fact that this is very lightweight, which makes it very comfortable to wear. Lastly, for the strap, this has a micrometric buckle system. This is the Radiance Cusma Daniel model from TT Cos. In case if you're interested in the other variants, these are the other ones available. The next upgrade to the TT Cos is the Vendetta 2. The major difference from the TT Cos and the Vendetta 2 can be considered in the strap and in the visor. Now, here the strap is D-ring and it's a dual visor. The shell of this helmet is made with advanced thermoplastic, which gives advanced protection during crashes and falls. Now, the visor is PC injected, it's anti-scratch, it's pin lock ready, and it comes with a dual visor. The Vendetta 2 comes equipped with a sun visor, which can be easily operated with your left hand when riding. The ventilation of this Vendetta 2 is also very good, owing to its superbly engineered air inflow system. Like the TT Cos, the inner materials are superbly comfortable, it's very good to wear, it feels good, it's sweat absorbent, and it keeps you cool. Now, the major difference from TT Cos is that this is completely removable and washable. When it comes to retention system, this is double D ring, which means you can take this to the track. Now, personally, I rode with this helmet for around 500 kilometers, and this is a very good helmet when riding for long distance also, because it kept me comfortable, it wasn't very heavy on my head, and it was superb in higher speeds. This is the Falcon Faster Black Red Fluo. In case if you're interested in the other model, here are those. Lastly, we have the most expensive of the lot, the KYT NFR. The NFR2 is a completely redesigned helmet from the other two models. Now, this one is made for higher speeds and for more safety and protection for the rider. Now, the shell of this NFR is made with ADT Advanced, a mix of thermoplastic resins which gives high impact protection. And now, the shell size is available in both medium and large. The visor of this NFR is PC injected, it's anti-scratch, Now it's also optic in class 1 with variable thickness. Also, it's pin lock ready. And the hooks and the rotation system of this visor, which ensures that you can remove the visor very easily without any tools required. Like the other helmets, the internal materials are super comfortable, super soft and very nice on your face. All the inner layers are completely removable and washable. It also comes with an emergency release mechanism. Lastly, the retention system on this is a micrometric buckle. This is the NFR Neutron Yellow variant. In case if you are interested in the other variant, these are the other models. So guys, these are the models of helmet available from KYT right now in the Indian market. As per our knowledge, more helmets will be coming soon from the brand. Talking about the price, the TT Ghost starts at 5,799, the Vendetta at 10,700 and the NFR at 11,500. So that's it for this video. Before you go, please make sure you subscribe to our channel because we'll be bringing more detailed review of all KYT range of helmets soon on our channel. Take care and ride safe.